Hello everyone, this is Deeksha and today I'm going to walk you through the capacity management extension of Token. This feature basically lets you define the capacity of your agents. Your agents can only receive the task if they have sufficient capacity. So let's get started. First of all, we are going to enable the extension from Token Extension landing page. This is a token extension page. I have already enabled it. You can just search capacity management here and click on the extension capacity management. We have to configure the capacity management. So what is capacity here? It is defined by you. It can be number of packages per agent, capacity of orders per agent, vehicle capacity. I've set it to 50 and I'm going to submit it. Successful. Let's get back to the dashboard. On the dashboard, I have two agents free right now and both of them have been now assigned capacity of 50. We can check capacity 50, available capacity 50. Interesting thing to notice here that your agent, this is the agent app screen, your agent can also check the capacity. If he or she clicks on capacity management, he can see total capacity and available capacity with him. We can see the capacity from here. So let's say if we want to change the capacity of Daenerys from 50 to 30, so I can do that as well. Just click on your agent and edit. I can edit the details. In the top bottom we have capacity here, so I can, let's say, change it to 20 also. So now the capacity of Daenerys is 20 and Jon is 50 because we have set 50 for all our agents. Now let's see how we can create a task. I'll enter a pickup. I'm going to fill in the address as Bloomington. Pick up before time and the capacity. Here we define what is the capacity of this particular task. So I am going to assign it a capacity of 40. Now this capacity is met by Jon, who is having a capacity of 50, but I've changed the capacity of Daenerys to 20. So now the task will be automatically assigned to the agent fulfilling the criteria of having sufficient capacity. So now I will click on create task. We can now see the screen of our agent. So Jon has been given the notification because he fulfills the criteria of capacity. Once he accepts the task, he can go and check his capacity again. So he was having a total capacity of 50, but now because a task of 40 has been assigned to him, the available capacity with him is 10. The same can be checked here. We will refresh it. So the total capacity of Jon is 50 and the available capacity is 10 right now with him. Now the agent can go and complete his task. Let's say he starts the task. You can see that he can see the capacity is 40 for this particular task. After when he is done, he can mark the task as successful and he is done. So this is basically the capacity feature of from Token. And if we will again refresh it, so we can see that the capacity of Jon will be again updated. It's 50 again. So this is how the capacity extension of Token works. Thank you for watching.